It doesn't matter how good a strategy you have, you are going to lose. We are losing with 4 to 5 years of experience in the market. You cannot win every time, and you will know exactly why that is. If you come to a community and subscribe to a membership, you will also get the courses that we provide and the bonus courses which contain information on how the markets are really rigged, how institutions that really move the markets take trades so that they can make 95% of all traders lose money in the market, how they see the markets. We have all those information in our courses that we provide to every paid member that takes the regular membership. You get the courses, you get the bonus content, you get the secrets of market manipulation, and you get the signals, meaning the trades that we take every day. We post it as screenshots so that you can take it at the exact same time that we take the trades. You can take the same trade along with us. Nobody else does this, at least not as clean and neat as we do. It's very organized, and you're going to enjoy that system, and you're going to see how much value that we're giving you. I'm telling you the truth. This is the raw truth of trading. I'll even give you the secrets of how money works in our society, how the elites who control these markets, who control everything, how they make money, how their mindsets are, what they think of us, people like you and me. I'll share all that information on this channel, so stay subscribed, stay tuned, watch this stuff. Learn how the lords of this world is really making money using your time and energy by staying subscribed here. I'll tell you exactly what they're doing, the whole game. I'll reveal it here. It will be in one of these videos if you're watching this one. So yeah, expect that. With that said, peace out.